So now they're busy doing the angles, blah, 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 blah. Now it's our turn. It's time for me and Robert Boy to shine. And I'm like, fuck, you know what? I'm going to put my best foot forward here. This is my acting debut. I want to make sure I fuck it.
Yeah.
So I'm amped up. So now the camera's on us, right? The extras, right? And there I am. And all we're meant to say, Robert Boy did a monologue in Zulu because I couldn't do that, right? And all they asked me to go was like just rally behind our king and say, Shaka lena. So the camera's on us, right? And I'm busy going, yeah, Shaya. And then they fight. Then during the fight, I'm like, yes, Shaya. They're like, cut. They're like, yo, bro, it's 600 years ago. You can't say yes.
Yeah. You can't get stabbed. Fuck. Come on.
I'm like, oh, shit. So we had to redo the scene because I kept going, yes.
Imagine Shaka. But damn it.